Hey guys, so today I am back with my final Halloween video for this month. So I decided to do something simple because Halloween is tomorrow, so I figured if you guys are having a Halloween party, this would be perfect. I had a different video planned that would have been perfect for like a Halloween party, but I just didn't have the time to do it, so maybe next year I'll film that video. But today I'm making Oreo Mummy Pops. So these are super simple to make and you can make plenty of them so that if you're having guests over for a little Halloween party, you could have that as a snack. It's super simple to make, so basically anyone could do it. And also, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Thank you. Like, you guys have no idea how grateful I am for that, because it's taken me over a year now to hit 100 subscribers, and it's taken one long year of hard work and dedication, and honestly there were many moments where I felt like giving up because I just felt like new YouTubers don't stand a chance because there's just so much competition. But you guys have proved me wrong. You guys are liking my videos, you guys are giving me a chance and actually subscribing to my channel, and it means the world to me. It truly does. Like, every single one of you. I seriously love you guys all so much. It just blows my mind that I hit 100 subscribers. It's crazy. It's like my first milestone, and I'm really so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started. So first I just started by melting some white candy melts, and you could use a double boiler or you could put it in the microwave, but I'm using this fancy machine by Wilton that's specific for melting candy melts, and it's really cool because it keeps them heated and it saves me a lot of time. So first, just lay down some parchment paper because this is gonna get messy, and open up an Oreo, and then take a lollipop stick and just dip it into your melted candy melts. Now just place your popsicle stick onto the Oreo, and I actually found that if you put it onto the cookie that has the icing, it'll actually stick a little bit better than just putting it onto the plain cookie. But then you just sandwich them together and just put that off to the side to set. This next part was a struggle for me, so next you just have to completely cover the Oreo in the candy melts, and make sure you're doing this when the popsicle stick hardens onto the cookie, because you don't want the stick falling off the cookie and it becoming a mess. So yeah, I just use my spatula to get it all over the cookie and then smooth it over. Then just place it onto your parchment paper. Next, I just took some candy eyes and some tweezers for extra precision, and I placed the candy eyes onto my Oreos while the candy melts were still wet. Next, I just put some candy melts into a Ziploc bag with a small tip, and then I just drizzled the candy melts in all directions to make the mummy's wrapping. And these are the beautiful finished Mummy Oreo Pops. I love how these turned out, and I think these are just so perfect. if you're having your friends over for Halloween. You can make these really quickly, and it's a no-bake recipe, so it's just super simple. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any questions or suggestions for what you want to see me bake next. And also comment down below, let me know what your Halloween plans are, because I am going trick-or-treating with my friends. No joke. Like, me and my friends, we don't care. I am 17 years old, okay? We love trick-or-treating. It's free candy. It's fun. So don't be ashamed if you think you're too old for trick-or-treating, because you're not. Because I'm 17 and I'm going trick-or-treating and I have no shame. So, yeah. Let me know what your Halloween plans are. If you're going to a party, going trick-or-treating, whatever it is, let me know. I'd like to know. That'd be cool. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me because I post awesome stuff on Instagram and Twitter. I don't really tweet much, but maybe if some of you guys actually follow me, then maybe I'll start tweeting. But yeah, I do post a lot on Instagram, so if you guys want to see some cool stuff on Instagram, go follow me. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!